I feel like throughout all my different experiences, I was always overcoming adversity. But people also tell me, hey, like, you're a natural leader, and we want to see you continue to thrive in that. So Oddballs is a faith-based community organization. Oddballs was created off the 4 pillars of leadership, education, problem solving, and consulting. Ultimately, the goal is to develop future service leaders and strengthen communities. Some of the organizations or the just entities that have bought into Oddballs and who we partner with have been Covenant House in Los Angeles. They are a shelter who help young men and women between the ages of 18 to 25 find shelter, but also employment. Carter High School, annually they have the Young Men's Leadership Conference where Oddballs will go and do a code switching workshop to help young men understand time and place and how to conduct themselves. We've also partnered with Cal State San Bernardino where we've had our Drop in Knowledge Summit where we invited social workers, police officers, nurses, and people in other public service fields to come and essentially share their knowledge with prospective students who want to go into these fields. Overall, we just partner with community. So the overall goal is to develop future service leaders while strengthening community. One thing and one amazing thing that Cal State has taught me is the acronym of LIFE, learning in spite of my failed experiences. From 2013, 2014 up until 2018, I never really did anything about it because there were the people who were saying, oh, if you start your own business, you're not going to be successful. People are going to buy into what you're doing. People won't see value in what you're doing. And then ultimately, honestly, I was probably my biggest doubter because I didn't see the value in myself. Once I kind of pushed the naysayers to the side and really just focused on what it is I wanted to do with it, little by little, things just started to unfold. And then the community honestly bought into what I was trying to do, and it just gave birth to itself. There's a lot of separatism. I would want people to come together because, again, as a man who believes in God, as a man who loves community, you can't have community when you have groups of people who are divided. You can't have community when you have people who don't buy into uplifting the community. So I want people to remember me as someone who just always did the best he could to serve others, but also serve God. The way Oddballs fits into that is we do everything with love and compassion. That's why we have the heart as opposed to an O to start off the word, because everything's with love and compassion. We use the whole color of the rainbow because we're an all-inclusive, non-discriminatory organization. So whether you're Hispanic, African American, Asian, homosexual, heterosexual, no matter what you subscribe to, we want to be of service to you in the best way that we possibly can be. I think that people need to know that CSUSB is the land of opportunity. Getting onto the campus now as a student, I was able to see the Greek and student leadership life. I was able to see just the overall educational programs and opportunities, the internships, housing opportunities, again, to be an RA and a hall coordinator. My girlfriend is a CSUSB alumni. Some of the people who I still meet with monthly, weekly, and just do business with are CSUSB alumni. I honestly wear that as a badge of honor, just to be able to say that, hey, I came from San Bernardino. I came from Cal State San Bernardino.